Hey, this Fast Furious Josh here, about to install a carbon fiber radiator cover from A90 Garage. Just check them out, looks amazing. Here's my Supra. Let's pop the hood. Pop the hood. So you see we have an MSD cold air intake, Cusco, strut bar, Furious, engine oil caps, radiator caps, wash fluid cap, AMS, carbon fiber, engine cover, AMS, carbon fiber, ECU cover, and today we're going to install the carbon fiber dash cover for the radiator cover right here. So it should be, looks like there's some bolts here. Need to take out this clip, need to move this, take this off so you can get to this one, this one, this one, this one. Take that one off, get to that one, then we'll see what's under it. Now some tools I use, I got a pair of those pliers, flat screwdriver, just kind of don't want to break anything, so I have a clip removal tool, so you just gotta kind of be careful. Gentle, so you don't break it or snap it. You don't want to pop it up too hard, because then that shit gonna pop somewhere in there, and oh, good luck finding it. But let me do this real fast, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's off. Okay, I took out the clips, and this lifts up. Here's a problem. It looks like to get to this bolt right here, and really that one flush, and that one too. That one over there, it looks like you got to remove the front bumper, and maybe it pulls out a little bit to get to it. I have to check that out. Okay, a dilemma I came into. To get to these bolts, I took off the bolts for the bumper, which gave me a little, I'll get to the side you can see better, a little cushion to where I think I can get a wrench in there. I gotta go to the store and get a 13mm wrench. Can't find mine. I think it'd have to be able to take off this and this, because I don't have a clue how this is all stuck on there. Looks like that's under the bumper, so yeah, this, and this. Oh shit, there's another one. That one's easy to get to. That one's easy to get to. So those are what these are right here. So I'll be back. Okay, just got back with the store, and to get this in here, you gotta really push up to get that loose. So I did this one, got this one loose. I'm hoping that if I just loosen these and unbolt these, that it just slides out. That's what the carbon fiber one looks like. So we'll give it a shot. I'll check it out. Okay, I got it out. You remove these, remove the bolts. MST's a little bit of problem in the way. Cusco was not that bad. I removed this, but I removed these bolts in the corners so I can pull it out. But here it is out. I gotta be careful with the carbon putting this in, because I'll tell you what, that was not fun. Wow. Lost some pounds. Got some fancy in there. This goes inside. Just gotta be careful because it's a little pain to get it out. Okay, give it a shot. The thing is, are these bracket clips. They install this way. So you just gotta push the 4 tabs down and push it down. Man, it was a lot easier getting it in than out. Carbon, so much nicer. So, let's see about installing these pieces. Well, there it is, all buttoned up. Bad, I really like that gloss. And I want dry carbon here because that was all that was out at that time. But 2020 Fast and Furious Supra, it's looking good. Motor charge pipe. Oh, that's good. Shout out to 8080.